Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we are looking into the Apex URLs and redirections. Today, we are going to start forms in Apex applications. So the forms are application component that are used to manipulate the database objects like table data. Form are used to insert, update, or delete the data into the database table. So let's log in into your Apex workspace and click the app builder and choose an existing application. If you want to create new one, you can do that and then create a page. Select the type form, give a name to your page and then choose the table. Click next. Choose the primary key and then we have the branches type, branch phases. Branch here on submit. Branch here on submit. It means when click the submit button or create button at on the form, then after submitting the form it will redirect to the selected page. Here you can see multiple page are showing here. I have selected the home page. By default it selected the home page. Cancel and go to page. In case of cancel it will redirect to the page one. Now click on the create page and run the page. So this is our first form. You have create and cancel buttons. When you click the cancel button, it will redirect to the page one, which is actually the branching that we have selected at the time of creation, page creation. Let's see the page in the page designer. You can see the multiple columns in the form region, which is employee form region. All the components or columns that are showing in this form region are basically the page items. An item is a part of HTML form. There are two types of items, page items and application items. So all the items or columns that are showing here are the page items. The display of the page item depend upon the properties associated with that column, or you can say item. Application items are not associated with the page. So that's why they don't have user interface. You can use the application items as a global variable to set values at application level and assess these values on other page. Now understand the properties of page item. Select any column. You can see the employee ID is showing with the type hidden and the first name, the type is text field. Then you have hire date with type date picker. Salary is a number field, and the department ID is a select list. We can add items to the forms in multiple ways. Like you can create item by right clicking on the region and click create page item. Similarly, you can pick the item from gallery and drag it to the region. You can see form region. Now let's look into application item. Go to the share components of the application. Now you are in app builder and in that application, click the share component. In the application logic, you have the application items. Currently, there is no uh, application item, that's why not listing here. Let's create one and give it a name, user name. Then you have a scope level. If you want to use the application item only in this application, choose the application scope level. If you want to use the application item for all the application within the workspace, choose the global variable and then global scope and then click the create a page application item or create application item. So that's all for today. It's a brief introduction about forms and page item. In the upcoming videos, we shall explore something more about forms and page item properties. So I hope you have learned something useful. Thank you so much.